Hello traders, I want to do an update on the euro dollar. I did say a sell opportunity was on the cards. That was a couple of days ago. This is the 30-minute chart that I was talking about at the time of the video, and when I did the video, these were the two bars I was watching, these two, and that red bar just completed, if you recall, and I said if we broke the lower of those two bars we would trigger a sell opportunity. It didn't happen. Instead, 30 minutes later the pair rallied up, so I didn't get a sell signal there. What did happen eventually is price came back down, started hovering around this support area, broke it, has come back up, tested it. So what's going to happen now, I'm not too sure, but I'm going to try and explain what I'm seeing here. So like I said, price broke that support level, came back out, retested it as resistance, come back down, failed to make a new low. Okay, I'm going to repeat that. It's failed to make a new low on a test of that previous area of support. So previous support becomes resistance. The resistance the price did react to that resistance level, but it's failed to get lower. It went lower slightly and then it's come back up again. So that's bullish signs price wise. Let's go to the hourly here, because this is a 30-minute we're on at the moment. Let's go to an hourly chart, and this is how I see it now at the moment. So we failed to get normally what would happen if you test previous support, which will act as resistance like it did, you expect price to try and make a new low, and it's failed, as I keep reiterating. So we draw on a trend line here, and I look at these hourly bars, these two here, bullish signs. We're trying to take out the high of those two bars, which we did there. We took out the high, but as you can see, it only blipped slightly higher, came back down. Then another bullish price bar there, made another high, and we're stuck around that area now. But it looks like we're going to probably try and go higher still. Okay, so euro dollar at the moment is a bullish trend, and I do know what I did on the last video. I did those Fibonacci levels. There were three confirmations of a possible sell. So and you know, I've got it right here. It has come down, but it looks like price is turning back over again because we're failing to make new lows here. It looks like price, this is based on what I'm seeing, it looks like price is going to try and make another new high. So then I'm going to go to the daily and draw in this. Last time I drew this trend line in, it wasn't. When I looked at that afterwards, this looks more obvious. Look at this. So based on what I'm seeing on the hourly, this is a daily chart now. Based on what I'm seeing on the hourly, it looks like the hourly is going to try and push its way up to this trend line. So it looks likely that we're going to try and push up to 145, quite possibly. So back down to that hourly again. This is how I see it. We're breaking those two bar highs there. If this level fails again to act as resistance on the way back up, it's going to highly likely break it and make its way up to, you know, make new highs, possibly up to 144.50 to 145. That's how I see it at the moment, guys. You know, the market changes continuously. Another interesting point here, based on this hourly, is we take a Fibo study from here to up to this high, and I'll let you into a little secret here. The euro dollar, that hasn't quite drawn in right. Let me do that again. My Fibo tool isn't drawn in properly. Right. The euro dollar loves to retrace off 38.2 Fibo levels, and as you can see, 38.2 hit almost to precisely, and then so that's another reason why I think this is probably going to go higher now. So scrap any sell trades. We're with the trend here, going long. The sell trade wasn't triggered as I hoped, so now we're back long positions. I've decided that on Twitter, I have said this in the past, but I see these opportunities and I think I should let you know about them. But I think Twitter scalping trades are a waste of time for you guys, because I think there's too much of a delay. So from now on I'm going to do more longer term sort of trades, not longer term but maybe a few hours or so rather than 10-minute trades, because it's just too hard to do. I just think you guys will get lose money and I'll lose money if I keep trying to do these scalping trades on Twitter. So I'll look for trades at sort of 50-60 pip stops for sort of 50 to 60 pip reward plus. They're slightly longer term trades, maybe hours instead of minutes. Okay, so there's the analysis, guys. Euro dollar is now looking to be back in its bullish trade, bullish trend, and we can see that on that daily, price looks like it wants to test this resistance line on the way back up. So all eyes on taking euro dollar long for the time being. I could be completely wrong, but that's how I'm seeing it at the moment. So look for your bullish trades on euro dollar. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.